The alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, also known as the oxoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, is set up virtually exactly like the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex reaction. This reaction proceeds in 3 steps. First, there is the decarboxylation of alpha-ketoglutarate. Next, there is the reduction of NAD+ to NADH. And finally, there is the subsequent transfer of CoA, which forms the end product, succinyl-CoA. Just like the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, this alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex uses TPP, CoA, lipolate, FAD, and NAD as cofactors and also has E1, E2, and E3 steps that take place. E1, alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, which contains a TPP cofactor, catalyzes the binding of the oxo acid to the lipoyl group of E2, lipoamide transsuccinylase, which then transfers an acyl group to coenzyme A, forming an acyl-CoA, while reducing the lipoyl group to dihydrolipoyl. E3, lipoamide dehydrogenase, then transfers the protons to NAD to form NADH, and in this process, there is the restoring of dihydrolipolysine back to lipolysine so the reaction can be repeated.